Feeling overwhelmed by endless to-do lists and scattered notes? Let's cut through the chaos and figure out which productivity powerhouse, Clickup or Evernote, is your perfect match. First, let's tackle task management. Clickup shines with its robust features, hierarchical structure, custom statuses, and dependency mapping. See how it allows you to break down complex projects into manageable steps. In contrast, Evernote handles tasks with a simpler, list-based approach. While it lacks the intricate features of Clickup, it's ideal for straightforward to-do lists. Notice how you can create a note and turn bullet points into simple tasks. Now, let's dive into note-taking. Evernote is a master at capturing and organizing information. Observe its powerful web clipper, allowing you to save articles and web pages directly into your notebooks. Clickup provides note-taking features as well, but they are less robust. See here you can create a document within a project to store meeting notes or ideas. How about pricing? Clickup offers a generous free plan and paid plans with advanced features. Consider what fits your budget and team size. Evernote also has a free plan with limitations, with subscription unlocking higher storage and features. Which pricing structure aligns better with your needs? Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs. If you require advanced task management with a hierarchical structure, Clickup is your go-to. Prefer a simple, intuitive note-taking with basic tasks? Go with Evernote. Choose the tool that empowers you to get things done.